Welcome to Ifa Stories, where ancient wisdom meets modern storytelling. Step into the sacred world of Ifa, the Yoruba spiritual system, where every tale carries the power of divination, destiny, and deep cultural insight. Join us as we unravel the mysteries of the Orishas, the divine forces guiding our paths, Orunmila, the Erinmoles, and many more. Each story is a bridge between the past and the present, weaving timeless lessons that inspire, enlighten, and transform. Embrace the wisdom, honor the tradition, and journey with us into the heart of Ifa. Subscribe now and let the stories guide you. His substitutes take charge of divination for the crown prince of the Kingdom of Benin. At this stage of his life, ÒGÚNDÁ MÉJì decided that it was time to retire from active practice. He had become so prosperous and famous that he had several substitute Àwòṣè working for him. After the incident with the fish reservoir, he decided that from then on, he would only divine for the king. If anyone else came to see him, he would instruct his followers to perform the divination. These subordinates were, however, equally well versed in the art and practice of Ifa. Among such substitutes were the following: Abe kekere mu lode yango, epint lude wile dere, tabita au omode rele bi rele, au agba lagba, abugbek be sorin, au ayerkan basa, ayaku, omuari, lagbarba, adieku, akaranse meju se ayinturiwa tiuri, awon lo difafun AGÁNMÀRÄ ti inse omo ye oba ado ajovaleke. The small knife is used for all minor tasks, the large testicles that stretch to the ground. The young Babaláwo is as fiery as pepper. Patience and calm are the traits of an experienced Babaláwo. The priest with a tumor on his head is the diviner for Alara. The priest with a tumor on his neck is the diviner for Ajaro. The dead dog rested its head upon the club that beat it to death. The dying hen used its 2 feet to scratch behind itself. These were the substitute Àwòṣè of ÒGÚNDÁ MÉJì, who performed divination for ÀGÁNMÀRÄ RÄ, the heir to the throne of the Kingdom of Benin, whose king adorns himself with beads. They advised the heir apparent to offer ÒGÚN a dog, a rooster, and a tortoise because of an impending war. He was also told to serve the earth divinity with a sheep and his guardian angel with a white goat in order to enjoy a peaceful reign. Meanwhile, the inhabitants of TΑÁKPÀ, a province of the Kingdom of Benin, rebelled against the throne of Benin. ÀGÁNMÀRÄ RÄ led the invading troops who subdued the people of TAÁKPÀ. The Benin troops were victorious, and ÀGÁNMÀRÄ RÄ later ascended the throne of his father, becoming the ÓRÓNGÚN, or Argbua, of Ado. He enjoyed a rather peaceful reign, as no war broke out on Benin soil during his time. He is also credited with expanding the Edo Empire as far as Eko, Ìṣìdàhòmè, or Dahomey, Iga or Gun in the Old Gold Coast, the east of Congo, Atogo, etc. It is said that he was the one who first brought salt to Benin from Ìṣìdàhòmè. Years later, ÀGÁNMÀRÄ RÄ invited ÒGÚNDÁ MÉJì and his assistants to Ado, where he expressed his gratitude with exquisite gifts.